Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rapid Reviewer. Today I am going to talk about Elite series. It is a Spanish drama which is available on Netflix. Let's come to the point directly. I am going to talk some good and some bad things regarding this series. Let me tell you the story first. Las Encinas is the most exclusive school in the country where the elite sends their children to study. In there, 3 working class teens have just been admitted after an earthquake destroyed their school. The clash between those who have everything and those who have nothing to lose creates a perfect storm that ends in a murder. Why and who committed the crime? ये जानने के लिए आपको सीरीज देखनी पड़ेगी. As the story begins, you get connected with cast. The series teaches about friendship and love. For mystery genre lovers, this is a treat to watch. The casting is done great. You will fall in love with all of them. अगर अभी आप किसी कैरेक्टर को हेट करोगे तो कुछ एपिसोड्स बाद आपको वो कैरेक्टर पसंद आने लग जाएगा. That's the magic of Elite cast. Despite cast and story, the soundtracks are also outstanding. I will give link in the description of some of the soundtrack which I like the most. This series will keep you hooked to edge of your seat. I am sure you will wish to have life like Elite characters. Now let's talk about what is bad in this series. Honestly, I loved it. The acting is amazing compared to other teen series of sort of the same genre. What I didn't like was how they expect us to see all of these teens with overly active sexual lifestyles that not even an adult could keep up with. Yes, you heard right. It has excessive amount of such bold scenes. Possibly for every 5 minutes you will see too much adult things from all the category types. In fact, they have shown it in school too. आसान भाषा में बता दूं कि ये स्पेन की स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की जैसी स्कूल है जहां पढ़ाई छोड़ के बाकी सब होता है. I bet you won't find any school or school kids all over the world like this. That's the major minus point of this series. They can add few scenes in the story, but they depicted such scenes as story which I did not like. Another bad thing is it's season 4. They should have ended it on season 3. As season 4 has same story like it's forcefully produced. Season 4 has weak star cast as old cast left the series after season 3. Weak storytelling, poor performance and weak plot that makes season 4 unbearable. Yes, that's it for now. You can surely watch Elite till season 3 which is very fast paced. आप बिल्कुल भी बोर नहीं होंगे. और हाँ, इसे फैमिली के साथ बिल्कुल भी मत देखना. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Rapid Reviewer for more updates. Please like, share and comment too.